Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at the 2019 Can-Am RYKER 900 Ace. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2019 Can-Am RYKER 900 Ace with 10,072 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with handguards and a hinge shifter. Powered by a 900cc Rotax 3-cylinder engine, the RYKER puts 82 horsepower and 58 foot-pounds of torque through a CVT transmission. With a 5.2-gallon fuel capacity, the RYKER has a 120 to 150-mile range. It has a 23.5-inch seat height and a 616-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this TRIKE's charging output at 14 volts. Both front tires are at 630 seconds, and the rear is at 530 seconds. We took this TRIKE for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and ships well. We've posted the service repair order for this TRIKE so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this TRIKE's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This TRIKE has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days and/or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.